In 6 weeks, the Federal Reserve is getting a new chairman. And according to analysts, this change could be the tipping point that determines whether the stock market crashes or recovers in 2026. Here is what you need to know right now. Jerome Powell has led the Federal Reserve since 2018. He has kept rates steady during the most politically charged period in the Fed's history, resisting significant pressure from the White House to cut rates aggressively. His term ends in about 6 weeks. His replacement, Kevin Warsh, is expected to be more willing to cut interest rates. And that matters enormously for your money. Here's why. When interest rates fall, borrowing gets cheaper. Mortgage rates come down. Car loan rates drop. Credit card rates decrease. And stock market valuations tend to go higher because future earnings are worth more when discounted at lower rates. 3 rate cuts are projected for 2026. The first could come as early as the May meeting, right around when the new chair takes over. If those cuts happen, the market could get a significant boost at exactly the moment when fear is at its current elevated levels. But here is the risk. If the new Fed chair cuts rates too aggressively while inflation is still above target, it could trigger a new inflation surge. And that would make everything from groceries to energy more expensive for you personally. Here is what you do now while this plays out. Number 1. If you have been waiting to refinance your mortgage, watch the May Fed meeting closely. A rate cut decision there could create a short window of lower rates worth acting on. Number 2. High-yield savings accounts paying 4% APY right now will likely see those rates decline when the Fed cuts. Open one today to lock in current rates while they last. Number 3. Financial stocks tend to benefit from Fed policy changes. If you want sector exposure, consider researching financial ETFs like XLF. The Fed is changing, and the next 6 weeks could change your financial strategy too. Follow the silent shift for daily finance moves that see around the corner.